Okay, Libra, let's see what exciting things are happening to you in the next 30 days. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see, Libra. Exciting things in the next 30 days. Wow, exciting talaga to. This is a spark of curiosity. So, maaring merong mga bagong bagay na kumukuha ng attention mo ngayon. Can be learning something, no? Mayroon kang pag-aaralan. Parang meron kang matutuklasan na parang makakapagpa-excite sa'yo na isang opportunity. Oo. Can be your passionate work, career. Some of you rin pwede rin a new person coming in to your life na you feel so attracted, no? And Ace of Wands is also a potential for an exciting new beginning. Exciting new beginning. Let's see what else. Libra. You have the Page of Wands. Adventure time. Ito'y adventure. So, maaring meron kayong mga travel opportunities. Pwedeng literal, no, magta-travel ka sa iba't ibang lugar. Yung iba naman, yung imagination mo yung magta-travel. Marami kang mga realizations na mga ideas na gusto mong i-explore pa. Pwedeng ideas para sa bago mong trabaho, ideas para sa bago mong business. You have the Tower. Uy. Life-changing ito for you, Libra. Itong maaring merong major change na magli-lead sa bagong simula. So, tingnan natin in what area of your life to. 4th house. Your family. Your home life. So, yung iba sa inyo, exciting new beginning sa bahay. So, maaring biglaan, no? Merong, lalo na kung kayo nagre-renta, biglaan kayong aalis sa nirerentahan yung bahay para sa bagong bahay na gusto nyong subukan na tirahan, no? Yung tipong, di ba meron ngayon na mga usong-uso rin ngayon na yung iba, iniiwan yung city, no? Halimbawa, nakatira sila sa syudad, tapos, aalis sila doon, and then, magre-relocate sa isang probinsya na tahimik or by the beach, na may farm. Ganon yung energy na kukuha ko dyan. So, for some of you, maaring paglipat ng bahay. Mas gusto nyo ngayon na mag-explore. Yung iba, yung tipong RV life, no? Yung, I don't know kung ganun kasikat yan sa Pilipinas, pero sa US, usong-uso yung van life, no? Yung nakatira ka sa sasakyan mo. And then you get to travel to different places. Oo, exciting talaga yun. Maaring yun yung gusto nyong subukan. Let's see what else. You have the Emperor. Feminine energy. The Emperor is about being the boss. So, maaring merong leadership role sa inyo. That's exciting. May in-offer sa inyo na bagong posisyon sa trabaho na kung saan mamamahala kayo ng mga tauhan. You have the Three of Swords. Meron ding endings dito or separation, disappointments. And you have the Queen of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong mawawala, no? Na bagay na importante sa inyo, pero may ipapalit na mas maganda. Example, yung trabaho na meron ka ngayon. For some reasons, pwedeng matanggal sa trabaho or, may magbago sa workplace kaya napilitan kang umalis. Pero yun naman yung magli-lead sa'yo sa success with the Queen of Pentacles. Pwedeng mas magiging successful ka sa career mo, sa pagiging self-employed, or may negosyo. Para kasing doon ka din lead ngayon. Can also mean, even sa relationship, but for some of you, this is about your career, your finances, your business. Sa inyong kaperahan. Merong luck, may prosperity. Ayan you are feeling powerless. Pero kapalit naman nun, meron kang good catch. Oo. Na maaring kinailangang magsara yung company. So, yun yung mga bagay na hindi natin kontrolado. Pero ang kontrolado natin is kung paano tayo magre-react doon. You are surrendering things to the universe. Na, okay, sige, bahala na kayo universe kung saan mo ko dadalhin, ganon. And with the Queen of Pentacles, dadalhin ka sa kung saan ka mas mag-grow, saan ka mas mag-bloom, saan ka mas uunlad. It's a redirection. Resources. Meron kang resources You have the things that you need. Yes. Importante lang dyan, alam mo kung paano gamitin yung resources mo. 'Di ba? So, yung iba, example, nawalan nga ng work. Marami na ngayong paraan para kumita ng pera. Kahit nasa bahay lang. It's either home-based business, work from home na trabaho, online business, name it, 'di ba? Napakarami. Honor your soul and celebrate its journey. Yes. There are times na you will be disappointed, you will get hurt, masasaktan ka sa mga nangyayari. But, you have to be open sa mga ganong experiences para mas maintindihan mo bakit yun nangyayari sa'yo. And, through that, mas magiging optimistic ka sa mga changes na pwedeng mangyari after that difficulties. Kundalini rising. This is transformation. Welcome the transformation, Libra. Channel your creative passion and sensuality. So I think you are stepping into your own creative energies. Mas magiging creative ka. At yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng stability, ng abundance. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.